The price of the S&P 500 has fallen dramatically. From the beginning of 2022 until today, the market declined by almost 14%. Our account, on the other hand side, increased during the same time period by 11%. At the beginning of 2022, we started into the year with a total capital of $1,033,000. Until today, we could increase our account size to $1,149,171. That's a total gain of approximately 11%. In the last week alone, we could make a total profit of $35,227. As one can see, our COT strategies don't correlate with the S&P 500 buy and hold strategy. Trading commodities as we do can be a great complement to a simple S&P buy and hold strategy. In these times, you can perfectly see how that works. By using our strategies, you can make money at the moment by trading commodities. And then you can buy stocks for cheap prices to build up a stock portfolio. As a result, trading commodities using our COT strategies is like a side job. Although it's not that time intensive, you can build up a positive cash stream that you can use to build up your stock portfolio in the S&P buy and hold strategy. In order to get to know more information about our coaching program, please go to our website and contact us. Welcome to Insider Week. In this video, I'm going to show to you the trades of this week and the corresponding results. Now, let's have a look at our first COT strategy. We started into the week with an empty portfolio, and at the end of this week, our portfolio is empty as well. During the week, we had a trade in cotton. On the weekly chart, you can see that we received 3 consecutive buy signals. We derive our buy and sell signals by analyzing the COT data, which is freely available in the web in the Commitments of Traders report, which is released once a week. You can also see that the price moves are stronger than the seasonal trend indicates. This observation is confirming that this market is exposed to relative strength. On the daily chart, you can see that we entered the market on Tuesday and we exited the market on Friday. We saw that a correction is going to appear and we wanted to protect our profits. By doing this trade, we made a total profit of $20,000. Now let's have a look at our champion strategy. This strategy also uses COT signals, however the frequency is increased compared to the COT strategy. As you can see, we started into the week with an empty portfolio, and at the end of this week, we also have an empty portfolio. During the week, we made one trade, and this trade gave us a gain of plus $15,227. Here you can see the trade. It has been a trade in heating oil. As you can see, we used the correction that the market delivered to us to enter this market with our long trade. We exited the trade on Friday. We also exited the trade in the COT strategy on Friday. Let me explain to you why we do that. The markets are currently exposed to geopolitical tensions, as you know from the news. And during this time, volatility can rise and arrive in the markets, and thus gaps may appear on Mondays. We want to avoid holding a position over the weekend. This is also a good tip for you as a trader. There are 2 strategies to exit a trade in these times. You can either close the position on Thursday evening or right in the morning on Friday. Fridays are most oftenly a correction day, so it makes sense to exit the market right in the morning. Now let's have a look at our third strategy, the weather trading account. Here we combine fundamental analysis of extreme weather events with the COT data. In this strategy, we tend to keep positions in our portfolio for a longer time period. For stocks, that means around half a year, and for commodities, that is like 1 to 2 months. In the cotton market, we use the correction to enter it. We are in the market with 2 long trades, and we didn't exit the market on Friday when the correction appeared because, as mentioned before, we aim to hold the position for a longer time period. On this slide, you can see the areas where the US are exposed to droughts. And these areas are areas where cotton is cropped, and thus there's upwards price pressure on the cotton price based on our fundamental weather analysis. The next market is rice. Here we also used the chance to build up a portfolio position. All these markets that we are invested in were announced to our coaching participants in the members area of Insider Week a couple of weeks ago. Here you can see that we also opened stock positions in our weather trading account. This is one and this is the other one. Both positions are currently around $0 in the win. Now let's have a look at the CRB index at the end as usual. The index for commodity prices is pointing to the upside. There's an uptrend, and expect of that observation there's nothing new to share. As a result, we are still more focused on entering long trades compared to entering short trades. That's it from our side this week. Do you hold your positions over the weekend, or do you also close your positions on Friday or Thursday, or are you considering doing that now as well? Please write it in the comments. And if you're already there, give this video a like, such that we know that you're interested to see our insights. Please subscribe this channel to not miss out on the next video, and we wish you all many successful trades for the next trading week. And as always, be aware of the risk, because risk management is indeed the key to success in trading. See you at the next trading report.